Let's relax together. You know, just take some time out for yourself.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Hi, it's Wednesday afternoon. I have not been feeling myself these past couple days. There are mosquitoes flying around my car. I'm just in a bit of a bad mood at the moment, so I've just finished work. Work was fine, nothing to do with that. I have just pulled up to the beach, sitting, looking at the ocean. I've just got a McFlurry, so I'm gonna sit and eat that, and then I brought a couple books with me because I'm gonna go pick Rowan up at 4:30, and it's maybe like 4 o'clock now. So yeah, I'm just gonna breathe, try and be calm, and just watch the ocean because it's one of my favorite things to do. But yeah, I've really been slacking on the vlog this week. It's Wednesday afternoon. Got him. Oh no, I didn't. It's on my seatbelt. I almost feel like I'm allergic to mosquitoes because when they bite me, I blow up. My favorite McFlurry is the M&M one and add hot fudge topping. So good. It literally does not get better than this. Good morning. It is currently Thursday. It's 6:45, and that little chocolate drizzle you just saw was meant to be really cute, but it wasn't. So I feel like that's just set up my day to not be cute. I feel like I'm gonna have a very not cute day today. You know how some days you just don't have any motivation, you don't really feel like doing anything? Today is one of those days for me. My spirits are just so low. Like, I think I just need a proper rest day. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a proper rest day. I'm gonna be so unproductive, and I'm just gonna force myself to rest. Isaac, you gonna rest with me today? You have cobwebs all through your ears. So if you're having an unproductive day today, let's relax together. You know, just take some time out for yourself and let's just chill today. Hi. What are you doing? I have essentially wiped all of my jobs off my to-do list today. I have no plans. I have nothing that needs to get done, and that just sounds so great to me. So let's just do all of the nice, cozy things that we want to do today. Starting with this game, I don't know why I find merging things so relaxing, especially when I've got some Folklore by Taylor Swift playing in the background. I feel like this silly little game is just such a happy and calming space for me, and I just love it so much. I made some banana choc chip muffins the other day, and they are just the perfect little snack. So I'm gonna snack on this and watch some Heart of Dixie. I just had the coziest day today and it really just filled my cup. But tonight we are going to the movies. We're going to go see It Ends With Us. I didn't mind the book. It wasn't my favourite Colleen Hoover book, but I think this movie is going to be great. I need to find something to wear because I'm not going to be wearing my little thing that I wore today. I want to be comfy because it's the movies, so no jeans. It might be a bit cold in there, so maybe a jumper. Don't mind my washing in the background, but I've just gone with this comfy, cozy, ready for the movie. We just got back home from seeing It Ends With Us. I bawled my eyes out the whole time. Like, I don't know if you can see how puffy. Oof, that movie is heavy. I'm still processing it. Like, I read the book maybe like 2 years ago, but for some reason I didn't feel that heavy reading the book. Like, I felt so much more like I couldn't breathe during the movie. Great movie, but definitely read the trigger warnings if you don't know what it's about. I just feel so heavy after that movie. But it was a great movie. Absolutely loved it. Oh, I didn't show you my little crochet thing that I did today. I just did another granny square in this like red, maroon, burgundy sort of colour. And I have so many granny squares now. Let me show you. I don't even know how many I have, but like, look at my cute little collection. Let me count actually. That looks like an outside bone to me. 1, 2, 13. I have 13 granny squares. Isn't that so cool? Like, I've literally just learnt this skill this year and I've done 13 little squares. I laid them all out on the table and this is enough to do half a sleeve of a jumper. So I've got a long way to go, but I just think that's so cool. Anyway, good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Saturday. We have just been to the eye doctor and I haven't been tested for glasses since I was like 19 years old, back when I was in CIT doing my diploma, and that was literally just for blue light glasses, so not really prescription. I come in today and he says that I need glasses, so I got glasses and sunglasses, and I didn't realize that there was anything wrong with my eyes, but he said like, you're just above the limit of like being able to drive without glasses. And last night when we went to get some drinks, we went to this Mexican place. They did drinking the fishbowl. Can I see some ID? I'm like, oh yeah, of course, fine, whatever. And so, you know, I hand over my ID and she looks at it and she's like, oh, never mind, you're old. Like, she probably just saw like the 19 in front of the, like the date of my birthday and just called me old. So Rowan just reminded me that in the space of about 10 hours, I've been called old and blind. And so that's doing wonders for my self-esteem today.
Please put the card into the card reader and follow the
was really quick that you put that together. How good is this chair? I feel like I could just doze off in it. This is where I'm going to spend the rest of my Saturday, and I will see you next week for my next vlog. Bye, thanks for watching.